Perfume. Hindi ko alam ano tawag dun. John Wick 1, 2, 3. And Star Wars Episode 1 to 7 or 8 or 9. Yeah. Mickey's Met. Thank you, Mickey. Yellow Rose. Thank you so much, Yellow Rose. Yellow Parts, thank you. Lutang for today's. Hindi ako lutang because I am not floating, right? Oh, sabaw. Ito ng mata ko. Nairam, thank you so much, Nairam. Herzain, thank you, Herzain. BG Marian, thank you. Pag nag 25k tayo, magsha-charades tayo, guys. Just took selfies promoting this. Kailan ka last naka 1M? Kailan last naka 1M ka, Mickey? Last 1M ko was November. I think November. Yung last 1 million. More fashion tips like sa Teen Vogue. Don't get blinded by the price. The important is the fit. Anong fit niya sa'yo. That's very important. Birthday na daw ni Anika Max sa 16. Yay! Advance happy birthday sa'yo. Riva Jean, thank you, Riva Jean. Malapit tayo mag 25k, guys. Samantha. Thank you, Samantha. Winseo. How do you pronounce your name? Winso? Winseo. Riva Jean, thank you. Winso. Winso. Thank you, Winso. Anong complete name mo? Winso, thank you again. Ooh, Carlo. Carlo. Wala kid, thank you so much. Ano favorite? Ano ulit yung tatanong kanina? Iris Bell, thank you so much. Ooh. Samantha, Iris Bell, thank you. Malapit tayo mag 25k. Pag 25k tayo, mag-charades tayo. Carlo! O nga, no? Talino mo doon, Macnate. Macnate. Salamat. Talino ka, Macnate. Hello sa bagong viewer. Kumabalik. I'll crack my neck. Ah! Ah! Oh! Cairo na ako. Cairo,